Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, ISNT, and today we're going to get into makeup for flawless brown skin. Now, I'm not saying that my skin is flawless by a long shot, because it's really not, but we're going to get it there. I know these brows are wicked weird right now, but we're going to get them in place. So first thing we're going to start off is with a makeup wipe. I got these from Ulta. They're the Neutrogena makeup wipes. They come in this little carry pack, and I washed my face before this, but like, you know. So what I'm using for moisturizer today is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face lotion. It has with coconut milk, and it softens and restores skin. It looks like this here. Today we're going to start with the face, only because the eyes is just going to be pretty much nothing. So that's that. Then we're going to spray our face with the Peerless Essence Rose Water. I got this from TJ Maxx for $6.99, and it just looks like this. And this stuff is so hydrating. I love it, because my face is so dry in the wintertime. It's so sad. So next we're just going to go in with, this is the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Sun Goddess. That's what it looks like. And then we're going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So we're going to mix these two together. And now we're just going to take our foundation brush and just mix it all around. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, you guys already know I've been rocking with the NYX Total Control Drops in the color Mocha. Giving that a chance to set into my skin. I'm going to work on my eyes now. So we're not doing anything too spectacular with the eyes. We're keeping it very neutral. So I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses blender. We're gonna go into the matte LA Colors palette right here, and as you can see, I've hit pan, but that's my favorite transition color. And we're just gonna take that and we're gonna put it right on our eyes. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Type of blending brush. I guess I'll take this one right here. And now what we're going to do is step right back into the Ruby Kisses palette. We're going to take this color right here. It's very pigmented, you guys. And we're just going to lay that right on the lid. Now we're just going to blend everything out. Like a little bit of a black, and put it on my eye where my lashes go. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm just going to prepare for eyelashes. You already know my favorite natural lashes is these babies right here. They're the Glam Wispies. Okay, and our lashes are on. We're done with that. We're just gonna take our damp beauty blender and blend that out. Okay, so you already know we're going in with Sasha, and I'm gonna bake just a little bit, not a whole lot. And with my face powder, Radiant Lasting Makeup Mist, and just spray it all over our face. My face feels so hydrated and good right now. Y'all don't even, ooh, that's a lot. So hardly touching my face. Yo, this highlight is blinding. Like what? Butter Gloss. It's in the color Fortune Cookie, and it looks just like this. So, and these smell so good, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for all my new subbies, all the likes and the comments and all the positive feedback. I even take negative feedback if it, you know, helps my channel. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I told you 2018 for Ebony Shantae's channel is going to be lit, and I was not lying. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.